Okay, hello dear students, good morning. So today I will discuss about the vector differential operator. Vector differential operator, that is del operator. In previous lecture we have talked about the coordinate system and transformation. Coordinate system such as Cartesian coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system, cylindrical polar coordinate system, spherical polar coordinate system, and to find the and to also calculate line element, surface element and volume element. So here del operator, del operator ये एक opposite triangle is known as del operator, called del operator, del operator, del operator, right? So you can write the del operator in Cartesian coordinates, you can write the del operator in spherical polar coordinates, and you can also write the del operator in cylindrical coordinates, that is del operator. इसको हम nebula भी कहते हैं, nebula, that is just del operator. So here three coordinate system, we have already discussed Cartesian coordinate system, या इसको हम रेक्टेंगुलर भी कहते हैं, रेक्टेंगुलर कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, cylindrical polar coordinate system, and spherical polar coordinate system. So that is कि del operator is a differential vector operator, that is del operator equal to here I del y del x plus j del y del y plus k del y del z, I cap, j cap and k cap. Here del y del x, so हम generally del y del x पढ़ते हैं, but ये del x, del y, del z. So this del operator represent in rectangular coordinate on Cartesian coordinates. That means k, x, y and z. Okay, del x, del y, del z. But there is simplicity. That is we calling del y del x, del y del y and del y del z. लेकिन ये by नहीं है, ये del x del y, that is partial differential function है, operator है. अब del operator in cylindrical coordinate means कि s, phi and z. Polar coordinate r, theta and phi, right? So del operator equal to here I cap, j cap, k cap is the unit vector. In cylindrical coordinate s cap, here I cap, j cap and k cap is unit vector. Here s cap, phi cap and z cap unit vector. In spherical polar coordinate r cap, theta cap and phi cap is a unit vector. So del operator in cylindrical coordinates, that means कि transformation system. So del operator equal to here s cap del y del s, या del s plus phi. Okay, so phi cap 1 by s del upon del phi plus z cap del y del z, right? So this del operator represents in cylindrical polar coordinate system. The spherical coordinate system, that is unit vector r cap, theta cap and phi cap, तो del ऑपरेटर इक्वल टू r है, del y del r, ओके, प्लस थीटा है, थीटा है 1/r del y del थीटा, here plus phi है 1/r sin theta, r sin theta del upon del phi, right? So that is del operator in rectangular coordinate system, del operator in cylindrical coordinate system, and del operator in spherical polar coordinate system. So keep in the mind that is del operator is applied to the any vector field or scalar field. So most important thing keep in the mind, remove कर दें, just here revise few points. The most important thing, curvilinear coordinate system, right? Coordinate system, okay, curvilinear coordinate system, right? या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, transformation system, right? Okay, I have already discussed transformation system, curvilinear and differential calculus, okay, partial differential calculus, right? That is your partial differential calculus, right? So first is s, phi and z. You know x, y and z. Just here revised few things, r, theta and phi. Rectangular coordinate system, cylindrical and spherical polar coordinate system, okay. Here you know everybody is x, y, z. Here x axis, y axis and z axis. Just here revised some few points, right? X, here suppose P is the point. अब P point यहां से एक नॉर्मल डालिए, एक्स वाई प्लेन, ये एक्स वाई प्लेन, इसको मिलाइए, ये ओ एम, राइट, ओ एम. So this distance is the s, okay. अब इस पे परपेंडिकुलर z एक्सिस, this angle is the phi, s and z direction. O है, so this distance is the x, ये y और ये z, that means z, okay. So here x equal to s cos phi, y equal to s sin phi and z equal to z in cylindrical coordinate system. Again this diagram is changed, okay. Look at this, okay. Again spherical polar coordinates, spherical polar coordinate. Here y axis, x axis and z axis, simply here P. So this is the position, R position vector, OP is the position vector, this angle is theta, right? Run to the xy plane, here this is the projection, meet perpendicular, this angle is the phi, this is 90 degree, this is the 90 degree, x axis, x y and z coordinate. Okay, ये r sin theta, this is also r sin theta. तो ये r theta and phi. तो simply r is projection equal to r sin theta. R, so keep in the mind here. Okay, here R हो प्रोजेक्शन. ओके, ये याद रखने के लिए कि R प्रोजेक्शन इक्वल टू R sin theta. R sin theta, that means function R and theta. Okay, here x coordinate equal to R projection cos phi. R projection cos phi means R projection, right? So R sin theta cos phi. This is a function of R theta and phi. Okay, here y equal to R projection sin phi. Projection sin phi. So R projection R sin theta sin phi, that means function R theta and phi. Z equal to R cos theta is function R and theta. Okay, so keep in the mind some transformation coordinate system. Spherical polar coordinate, cylindrical polar coordinate and Cartesian. Okay? So that is just revised, that is previous lecture. So now we will start on the next lecture, that is gradient, divergence and curve. Okay, thank you.